here I want define state, and then here we want the call cc lambda k set restart k, and then make state 0 0 true. Yeah. Okay, cool. And then state ACC state. Okay, 0, brilliant. And then if we make this 3, we get 3, cool. Okay, cool. Things are going okay. And so what we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to pass a number. Should the state have a continuation in it? Is that how we should do this? Does that make sense? And okay, so this, the thing is, we don't want to restart back to the state, because if this fails, we actually just want to skip over it. We could store another parameter in state, which tells us which one we're trying to parse. And like, that's fine. Like, we could just make this a big, like, I still have to check if case is a thing, but we could still make this a big, like, state, parsing or something. In fact, we probably don't even need to do that. We can have state, parser, and then the state can be a parameter. No, and then the continuation can be a parameter. And the state. Maybe the continuation is in the state, I don't know. Where the parser refers to which function is being used. So so here we would start with parse number. And then in parse number, if we failed, we would do the next one. I don't know if that's a good way of doing it, because it means the parsing functions themselves set what the next one to try is, which I don't think is the way to go. I think the parsing functions should just do it. What should the parsing numbers take? You know what? I actually think we should define restart here. I don't think that needs to be global. And I think in here there should be a field that's... is this immutable? I think this one might be mutable. Let me think. This one might be mutable. And this will be fail. This is a fail to parse. Parse fail. Parse fail. Yeah. Okay. And then, so what I want to do is here, I think I want to go call with CC. Is that right? And then I want parse success, I think. Because I want one continuation for, and I want them to start, as not set. It'd be easier just to make state mutable and have a restart that goes back up to here. Yeah, instead of making all these state parameters immutable, it'd be easy to make them mutable and just have the restart be parameterless. So the restart is here instead of in here. I think I might do it that way. Even though it's a little bit cringe, it's not that cringe. So we'll just put that there. I don't know what the fuck went on there. I actually do. It's tabs. It's always tabs. Put that there. And then this doesn't really need to do anything, I think. Because I think the restart just changes execution control. I don't think it changes... Maybe? I don't know. Let's test it. Delete, delete. That, I think, should... Okay. Never mind. Okay. Okay. So what don't you like? Okay. And then what I want to do here is I want to display current, and then I want to display state pos state, and then I want to set state pos, I think, of state to state pos state, and I want to add one. And then I want to add one to that. Okay, and that should still give me the same... Fuck. What do you want? Unbound variable set state pos. Or is it state set pos? I don't know. I'm just kind of guessing. Or is it state pos? Okay, it's none of them. Alright, fine. I'll read your fucking thing. Jesus Christ. Okay. Okay, cool. And so if I call the restart here... no, restart. Which I should be able to do... Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So it doesn't change the data, it just changes the execution. I'm actually a little bit surprised this works, if I'm... Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not, because this data is defined up here. I think if this was defined here... Yeah, okay, cool. Cool. Let's get rid of this. And that. And that. Okay, cool. So we can do restarts easily. Now what I want to know is I want to call CC with current continuation. So I think I need to do this. I need to go set, no, it's state pos success set, and then this I want to set to a lambda function, which takes in I guess I actually want this to be pass multiply, but it takes in the multiply result, and then what it does is it goes state accumulator set plus state accumulator with the result. where this is like the CDR of the result, I guess. And it goes state accumulator set plus, no, not the accumulator, the pos. Pos, state, CAR res, like that. And then I want to call restart. Like that. And then I want this to be state pos fail set K. No, state K. This is for state. Interesting. I told it to indent with 2. It's interesting that it hasn't done that. That one. Okay, so now, yeah, so now I have this function which if you, or this continuation. No, it's a function. This function with when you call it with a result, it'll update the accumulator, it'll update the position, and then it'll restart again. Yeah, and then this one, yeah, and I think I want to restart parsing entirely if it fails. Even though we can do some shortcuts, I think I'm just going to try each and every one. And then when we get to the end, add 1 to the position and try again. Yeah, I think that's the way to go. The only thing we need to know is, so if state pos state, if that's greater than or equal to string length input, then we return the result. Else we do all this other stuff. Damn, it's a shame I have to add this level of indentation for everything. It'd be nice if this was just a break, but to make it a break is not worth it. It would mean adding another continuation, essentially. So it's just not worth it. Otherwise, do all this shit. Yeah. And we can get rid of this. And I think this is just... we'll come back to that, actually. We'll come back to that. We'll get rid of all those for now. Okay, so we set the parse success. In fact, I think that's just what I want parse success to be. No matter where it succeeds. So I think I actually want that to be immutable. Funnily enough. Because no matter what happens... No, that's not true. That's not true. That's not true. It depends on whether... Yeah, it depends on whether we're passing numbers or we're passing the multiply. Yes, that's not true. So this is what I want to happen with the multiply. Okay, and then we want to call... Yeah, so if we fail, we just want to continue. And then we want to call pass number state. In fact, you know what? I'm tempted to put the string here. I'll do it, even though I don't feel good about it.